Nike Shox Ride 2 Smoke Gray joins the brand's ongoing Y2K revival, standing out alongside the Shox R4 and Shox TL. This edition skips flashy iridescent finishes, instead pairing smoke gray uppers with bold University Red Shox units for a timeless split-tone look. Subtle 3M reflective accents on the quarter add light-catching flair without sacrificing versatility. Designed as a general release, it blends heritage design cues with modern appeal, making it a solid choice for both nostalgic collectors and new fans. The clean lines and signature Shox cushioning technology deliver a recognizable silhouette with everyday wearability. Balancing understated style with energetic pops of color, this model reinforces Nike's retro performance aesthetic. The Shox Ride 2 Smoke Gray is expected to launch on Nike.com in the coming weeks for $190, ready to bring late 2025 a mix of throwback charm and functional comfort.